Well, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you saw from my last video, I do apologise about not putting any videos out. I do apologise. But we're out today on Scarborough Harbour. It's a horrible day, that's why the umbrella's up. But yeah, I've rigged up, got 2 rods out. Sorry about this. I'm trying something new. I've got a coarse fishing match rod that's out on a 2-hook flapper, size 1s, with a little strip of squid on each. So, giving that one a try. It's a Shakespeare Omni Match, 12 foot. They're both facing into the wind, so hopefully that'll help a little bit with regarding wind's picking up a little bit. With the end of the rod bouncing a bit, so hopefully that'll help a little bit. And then I've got my mackerel hunter with mackerel hunter reel. That's also out on a 2-hook flapper. That's out on a 4-ounce lead. Exactly the same flapper. That's got half a black lug on each hook. So let's just see how today brings. If I do catch anything, guys, you do know I will bring you back. But let's just hope for a fishy. And I'll catch you in a bit, guys. There you go, guys. As you can see, the rods are out. So the one this side, that's the mackerel hunter. Oh, windy. So that one's a mackerel hunter, and that one's a mackerel hunter, that one's the Shakespeare Omni. Yeah, let's just see how today goes. I'll be back in a bit, guys. Hey guys, just bringing back a little update. 15 minutes. I've had a knock on the Shakespeare Omni rod, the coarse match rod. Brought it in, both hooks were stripped from the squid. So I've now swapped that one over to black lug tip with squid, both hooks. So the squid was only a strip about, what, 2 inches long by about half an inch, but both strips are gone. So, and that's only on a light rod, lightweight, with it being a coarse fishing rod. I think it's only on a 1.5 ounce lead. So rolling bottom red. But yeah, it's promising. The bites are happening. I'm having to cast into the wind. Winds are picking up just a little bit, as you can see, because I'm holding on to the umbrella. But yeah, let's just see how today goes. I'll bring you back in a bit, guys. Well, guys, you can see, still down here. It's 1:10. Wind's starting to pick up a bit more now. I've brought the match rod in a bit closer. That was just bouncing about. I'm might have to bring that one in. Mackerel hunter, still no touch, not moving. I've had knocks on the max rod, but no joy yet. Right guys, I'll bring you back in a bit.
Your call, obviously.
Hey up guys, just a little update. Just had this young chap here come down to me with his two young ones. This is John.
Hi guys.
Yeah, so yeah, apparently he was up, tell the story John.
I was up at Filey Brig the other day, saw this lovely seal, tried to feed it a bit of squid. It actually didn't want the squid, but it let me stroke it as it went past, and it gave me a hiss, and that was my sign to back off, basically.
Yeah, nice one. Got two young ones in the background here. What's your names guys? So you got Adam, Jordan on the bike.
Evan and Jordan.
Evan and
Evan.
Jonah.
Sorry bud. So Evan and Jordan have come down to see how I'm getting on. So shout out to these guys. If you ever want to get on
Fishing Hunters Norton.
Fishing Hunters Norton, get on his page, give him a sub guys. Right, I'll catch you later in a bit. Oh, right guys, this wind's getting a bit, yeah. It's picking up a bit. You can see the rods are there. I can't tell if I'm getting a bite or not. By the look of it, there is quite a bit of crankbait activity about because my rigs are coming back totally stripped. So we'll see what time it is. I know it's not quite high tide yet. High tide's, well, it's still another hour and 10 minutes away, but it's not happening guys. Fortunately, today's one of them days where it's a blankety blank. John, thanks for the hoodie mate. It's come in handy today, that wind. Oh. And also Wayne, Shore Hunter, I've got your hoodie on mate. Both have come in handy today. So southwesterlies, it's coming straight off the land. Straight at my face. I've had to take the umbrella down. Right. I'll catch you back when I'm back at home. See you in a bit guys. Well, hi guys, you can see, back at home. It was a blank. Yeah, got totally crabbed out. Every rig I was pulling in, no bait. Lost a rig as well, because I wasn't using a grip lead, and it just got swung round, and I know there's some rocks right at the end of the harbour there, and it just swung straight round into them. Hooked up, lost it. Good news is, I've made a brand new one up, all ready to go for next time. Now, my next trip, hopefully, is in the Scarborough Festival. Tuesday the 24th, I'm going out on the Mary Ellen 2, and my daughter's coming with me. So, that one is going to be a good one. Right, guys, I'll catch you all on my next one, and tight lines everybody.